Hello, my fellow teachers. So, I ordered what I think is going to be an awesome Harry Potter teacher planner in the mail the other day from conquestjournals.com. No, I'm not an affiliate of them or anything. I just am very excited because I love me some Harry Potter. So, I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. All I did was open it with the scissors. So, open the tape. I'm not looked at it yet, so I'm so excited. The shipping was super fast. I think I ordered it like 2 days ago. All right, so let's see what we got. Ooh, what is this? Oh, I think this is let me see. Yeah, open it up. Hold on. Ooh, look at that, y'all. We got some coupons. Oh, some cute Harry Potter stickers. Albus Dumbledore, personally, he's my favorite. And Snape is also a favorite of mine. Okay, so we got Gryffindor. I don't know what house you all are in, but I would like to believe I'm a Ravenclaw, but I swear every quiz that I take says I'm a Slytherin, and my husband seems to agree, so I guess I am. Oh, look at this, the Quibbler. Another sticker. All right, so I'm trying to open this so you can see what this is. I think it's like an extra because I definitely didn't order this. It says 3 broomsticks on it. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Let's see. 3 broomsticks. Oh, cute. It's a little notebook. Oh, we got little Harry Potter glasses. I love it. How many are there? Oh, there's 2 of them. How cute. That is a nice little gift. All right, let's see this teacher planner. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Look at it. It is beautiful. Look at it. It's a 12-month weekly teacher planner. All right, let's see if I can open this with one hand. Oh, here we go. There we go. Not too bad. All right. Oh, yay. Look at her. She's beautiful. Hello, Hogwarts. I had my classroom decorated in Hogwarts for the longest time. I wish I had done a video of it. It's so cool. It was so cool. I just recently changed it. Okay, so open it up, and we've got the yearly calendars, emergency procedures, contacts, websites, nice. Websites, special schedules or health instructions for students. All right, we've got witches and wizards. Let's see. Okay, so student and contact information and notes. Awesome. There's several pages there. And we've got Outpost tab. Name, date, and details. Oh, it's communication log. Perfect. And then we've got Unfogging the Future. Ooh, what's this? Oh, nice. So this is like an overview each month. Overview planning. Okay. We've got daily schedule. We've got sorting seats. Ah, I love it. Oh my gosh. I don't want to write in it. I don't want to mess it up. Gonna have to use my awesome new pens to write in it, you know. All right, we've got a checklist. Okay, so student log checklist. So grades for sure. Let's see how many pages we have because that's important. I don't know about you all, but I teach approximately 60 to 70 students per semester, so 120 to 140 a year. We do block scheduling. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 7. Right. Was it 7? 7 or 8 pages total. of grades. So awesome. Okay, and then we've got, it broke up into July, August, September, and so on. So monthly. You can look at goals, dates to remember, focus. Oh, here, Luna. So there's July. Oh, and an overall calendar. And oh my gosh, y'all, look at that. It tells you when all their birthdays are. So we've got June 30 and 31st. Neville and Harry Potter's birthdays. It's exciting. Oh, it's even got Book Lovers Day and Left-Handers Day. Oh, Ginny Weasley's birthday. That's awesome. Okay, so we've got all Hermione Granger. We've got our overview for the calendars. Oh, it's even got nice. Okay, so you got your main calendar, and then it goes into where you can lesson plan. Ooh, and I like how it's broken up. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you have up to 7 periods a day for each of those for the planner. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so it's November. And then we got December all the way through. I'm going to skip ahead. Ron Weasley's birthday. Okay, let's skip ahead. May, June. See at the back, if there's anything in the back here. So there's June. Hopefully none of you guys go through June like that. Okay, here we go. Or go through June for your school year. In the back, we've got some notes pages. Oh my gosh, stickers. I did not know it came with stickers. Now, I do know on their website they sold stickers separately, but I didn't realize it came with stickers. How awesome. Look how cute. I'm so excited. I don't know about you guys, but I always get excited when I get new planners. There's some more. Platform 9 3/4. Oh, and for birthdays. That's great. All right, so again, conquestjournals.com. And you can get you an awesome Harry Potter teacher planner. Let me know what house you are. Like I said, I've kind of embraced the Slytherin, even though I feel like I'm a Ravenclaw. So, all right, till next time.